Hi, welcome to my channel. Did you know you can earn money just by watching videos? It is true. For every video you watch, you can earn up to $2. Watching 5 videos can earn you at least $10, and if you watch over 10 videos, you'll make over $20. This app is not only free but also available worldwide. So if you are in Africa, you can make money with this app. If you like the sound of that, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, welcome to this channel. I make videos on how you can make money online, worldwide, and as an African. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. The name of the app is called Paidwork. This amazing app allows you to make money by simply watching videos and taking surveys. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. Paidwork is available worldwide, making it accessible to anyone everywhere, and it is incredibly user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once you download the app, you can start earning money by watching various videos. These videos can be anything from advertisements to short clips, and each time you watch them, you earn money. What makes Paidwork especially appealing is its flexibility. You can use it during your free time, whether you are at home, on the go, or even during your lunch breaks. If you're a student or a teenager at home, then you can use it the whole day. There are no fixed hours, so you can work at your own pace. This is particularly beneficial for those of us looking for additional income without committing to a fixed schedule. Furthermore, Paidwork is very straightforward. It doesn't require you any initial investment or fees, which is a significant advantage. You simply watch videos and get paid. Payments are made through various methods, making it convenient for everyone to receive their earnings. As an African, this opportunity is golden. With the increasing cost of living and the need for extra income, Paidwork offers a practical solution. It is an easy and efficient way to make some extra money. On the app, all you have to do is watch a short 30-second videos. You don't have to even open them manually. It will be displayed immediately after you click the green Start Watching Videos button. The system is tailored to display ads to your interest. You're only looking at what is most interesting to you. Also, your salary depends on the time you spend watching the ad videos. Each video has an assigned number of points you can earn from watching it. From each video, you can gain between 1 to 10 points. You're simply going to log in or sign up to your Paidwork account, choose a method of earning, and then start watching videos. In order to earn points, you must watch the whole video. After 30 seconds is over and the video is completed, you can receive the amount of points specified in the description of the task. If you turn off the device you are currently using to watch videos, do not worry. You can return to the app and watch the video once again. So this task will be available all the time. Another way on how you can make money on Paidwork is by playing games. You can play games like Monopoly Go, Subway Surfers, Candy Crush Saga, and others. Most of the games available here are the games that you probably already play. So whenever you feel like playing a game, even Roblox or Among Us or Call of Duty Mobile, you can make money while doing something that you enjoy. Another way you can make money with Paidwork is through cashback. If you don't know what cashback means, is discovering offers or coupons and promotions. You will need to install an extension so that whenever you do shopping, Paidwork will find some coupons or some promotions and you'll be able to save money through Paidwork. Another way on how you can make money through Paidwork is through their token called Worken. Their token is powered by freelance economy. They say they have already 18 million freelancers from around the world who are using their token, and they are withdrawing funds through their tokens and earning from completing tasks from their Paidwork account. I haven't tried their token yet, but I will advise you to stay focused on doing the simple tasks like watching videos or playing games. Also, there is a new token that is going viral on the internet called hamster kombat. If you want a video on that, do let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Go ahead and check out Paidwork and let me know if you make money with this app. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and like this video. Also share it with family and friends. Until then, goodbye.